Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I do my high puff on my hair. So this is my hair. I already have baby hairs, but I'm just going to brush it back with my hair, and my hair is so dry, so I'm going to be like spraying some water on my hair. This is just a spray bottle with water. I'm just spraying the water so it'll be easier for me to brush. I'm not spraying it all over my hair. I'm just doing the surroundings of this watch is about to cut my hair off. Like, I'm just doing the surroundings of the hair. Oh my goodness, I better take this watch out. Alright, so yeah, I'm just gonna spray. This just makes my hair softer and more manageable. I don't really want to use gel because every time I use gel it leaves my hair like so dirty, and I don't want my hair to be dirty, so I'm just gonna brush all the way around. Ooh, my skin is glowing. Ooh. Anyway, so I just brushed my hair all the way around, and I'm going to be using this scrunchie. This is a long scrunchie. I've been using this for so long to the point where like it's extended, like it looks really long, and I love it like this. So I'm just gonna hold it like this and put it right there, and then hold the front like this, hold it together. Then I'm just going to push it up, push it, push it, push it, push it, push it. I mostly like my puff like really up, so I'm like really pushing, as you can see. And then I'm just gonna take this and take it around, and once I bring it around, I'm just gonna look, I don't know how to like describe what I'm doing, but once I bring it around, I'm just gonna put the other one inside the other one. Then I'm left with one side, and I'm just gonna like stick it under the rest. Yep. And I'm just gonna pull it how I want it, and I'm just gonna use like a pick and just pick it, you know, make it look really big. I think this is fine. Oh, first of all, my hair was in like an old twist out. I've had it for like 2 weeks, so I don't even do nothing with it except put it in a fro like this, in a puff like this. Yep. So perfect. Ooh, go. This is actually like my best puff ever. See, the back is not like that smooth, but like I said, I don't like using gel because the gel really leaves my hair dirty. So I'm going to be doing my edges. I'm using this Eco Styler gel, the argan oil one. Yep, I still use Eco Styler. You've seen the white stuff because my edges were already done, but I had to like mess it up and do it again for you guys. So I just put like a good amount of gel. Don't worry about the white flakes or whatever, it's going to disappear. Then I'm using an old toothbrush. This is not really a good toothbrush, but whatever. Yep, definitely using. Also, like, doing your edges with this hairstyle is optional. Like, sometimes it's just good to leave it like that. Sometimes I leave it like that. Other times I do the edges. Oh, this toothbrush is so mess. I hate it. If you don't have an old toothbrush, you can just go to Dollar Tree and get a toothbrush for $1. Oh, it's actually doing something, even though I don't like it, but still. And then if you have like a satin scarf, you can just use it and like tie your hair. As you can see, I have like a lot of flyaways. That's because I didn't use the Eco Styler gel. So just spraying some water in my hand and just and if you have a scarf, you just tie it around and pretty much that's it. Like it literally takes less than 5 minutes pretty much. It's not hard, and you can put the scarf while you're driving and take it out once you get to your location. The edges didn't really come out good because the toothbrush is some shit, but whatever, I tried. And yep, this is it. This is my hair up close. Anyway, so yep, looks nice, right? This is the front. This is the back. And anyways guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it, and if you have any recommendations on what you think I should have done better, just let me know. And if you also have like video recommendations on what you want to see me do with my hair, definitely let me know, because I'm like really open to like options. Anyways, thanks for watching.